can also.
Yes, beta. Be fast, okay?
Param ma'am, sorry because the call has come, so I have left.
No problem. Chalo, can you see my screen?
No,
Yes, ma'am, I
ma'am.
am showing the book. Ma'am, I am showing the book.
Yes, also very good. Nice handwriting.
Ma'am, now can I?
Ma'am, question answers is left.
Can you see my screen, girls?
Yes, ma'am, we can see your screen.
So, in the last class, we discussed about discovery of fire and
Changing
wheel.
environment.
Yes. First, we discussed about discovery of fire, wheel, and their uses, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, we'll revise
Yes,
that
ma'am.
and then we'll do today changing environment. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, see, before the wheels were discovered by primitive man, he used to go barefooted, matlab on foot everywhere, walk and go everywhere, right? And slowly and gradually, they started moving on different vehicles like bullock cart after the discovery of wheel, bullock cart, camel cart, right? All this type of they started training the animals, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this way, early man, discovery of wheel helped him a lot, and also, and fire also was an important and revolutionary discovery in the early man's life. Now we will see changing of environment. Now, how was changing of environment helpful to early man? You know, before many years ago, beta, early men did not understand anything about fire, agriculture, right? So how must he have done all these things that we are going to see in these two paragraphs? How changing in environment help him to live a settled life? Okay, that we are going to read here. Yes, Muskan, read better.
Yes, ma'am. Changing environment. Around 12,000 years ago, there was a widespread change in the atmosphere of the world. Due to increasing temperature, vegetation and grass fields started growing in many areas of the world. As a result, number of grass-eating animals, herbivores like deer, sheep, goat, etc., increased. Primitive men certainly got benefits of it. They
Certainly,
started
here. There's a spelling mistake. Okay, certainly.
certainly got benefits
If
of
your
it.
textbook, make a correction there.
Okay, ma'am. They started studying these animals' behavior and thus their mental development started. They came in contact with grass, trees, vegetation, as well as wheat, barley, and other grains due to climate change. By using stones, women, men, and children collected grains. Because of this serious instinct, slowly agriculture started in India. People started using stones to grow grains. They started growing grains near the banks of the rivers and constructed their house made up of mud, thatch, hay, and other materials in the nearby areas. As a result of it, their nomadic life came to an end and started a settled life. The first companion or friend of his settled life was a dog. Besides, he was also familiar with sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, pig, etc. Gradually, they started adjusting with them too. These animals protected them from wild animals, thus, they associated with animal husbandry also along with farming. However, research is being carried out to find out how long he had been using animals to get milk.
Yes, very good, Muskan. So,
Thanks, ma'am. Can I
yes,
read it?
so what happened?
Can I read it, ma'am? After you explain, read Khadija.
Sorry,
Ma'am,
speak slowly.
after you explain, then can I read it, ma'am? Can I
Yes,
read Khadija then?
now
Can
see
I
here,
read that?
changing environment. Okay, around 12,000 years ago. So you people are still 10 years, 12 years, someone is 11 years, right? बट ये तो कितने सालों पहले की बात हो रही है? 12,000 years ago. कितने सालों पहले बेटा?
12,000 years ago.
मीन्स
12,000 years ago.
also you don't unmute your mic. There's lot of noise from your mic.
हो गई है.
Hmm?
Black, black. Your screen is black. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Fully black.
I see, I see. Wait, I'll present again. Now,
Ma'am, Siddhartha is
Ma'am
presenting the
Siddhartha.
class.
Siddhartha, you don't present your screen. My screen goes away. Siddhartha, Aisha,
Kulsum is
Ma'am,
present
now
the screen.
Kulsum is presenting.
Nazima ma'am,
No,
Nazima
ma'am.
ma'am, Nazima ma'am. So around
Can I read,
12,000.
ma'am?
Yes, what happened? Now you can see, no?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
clearly.
So there was a drastic change, widespread change, okay, in the atmosphere of the world. किसी इंडिया की बात नहीं कर रहे, पूरे वर्ल्ड की बात कर रहे. You know what happened at that time to increase, increase in temperature. पहले Earth was just a fireball, right? Slowly and gradually it started cooling, right? And then somewhere rainfall and somewhere mountains and all this, then grass started growing. So as this grasses were there, herbivorous animals, okay, those animals that eat only grass, okay, those animals, what did they do? They started taking the help of such animals, and they started studying. People started, early men, they started studying those animals. How did they study, beta? They studied their behavior. Okay, what type of animals can be categorized into herbivorous, deer, and all this? They don't eat any animals, right? Dogs and cats and all this, right? So they,
Yes.
yes, they started studying the behavior of the animals, and this way, their mind started developing. Okay, understood everyone till here?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you understand? Say in the first paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. That 12,000 years ago, in the climate change.
Very good.
And herbivorous means that they only eat plant and grass. They are called herbivorous. And examples are deer, sheep, goat, etc. are there. And primitive man has studied about their behavior and development.
And so their mind also started developing. What happened, beta? Their mental development started. What it started? Behaviorism, and thus their mental development started. Is it clear till here, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am, can I read Malik Tahira? Ma'am, Sayeda has
Now
tell in chat box that your voice is breaking.
voice is breaking.
Ma'am, can I read Malik Tahira?
No, Malik Tahir. So they came in contact with grass, trees, vegetation, as well as wheat, barley, and other grains due to the change in climate, right? By using stones, women, men, and children collected grains. What did they collect, beta? They collected,
Grains.
grains. Because,
Grains.
yes, because of this, slowly agriculture started in India. Then they understood कि ये grains को वापस उगाएंगे तो हमें और ज्यादा grains मिलेंगे, right? So this way agriculture, the most revolutionary ना change started in India. People started using stones to grow grains. अब किस चीज का यूज करते थे? Stones का. किसका बेटा? Stones to grow grains. They started growing grains near the banks of the rivers and constructed their houses made up of mud, hay, and other materials in the nearby areas. Means what did they do, beta? They started making houses. What type of houses? From the mud and all this. Why? Because these type of houses are known as kacha houses, and during that their period before 12,000 years ago there were no pakka houses because cement and bricks and all this material which is required for pakka houses was still not invented, right? So they started living in a raw houses. Clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Mahek Tahera. Revise it, the paragraph which I explained you both the paragraph.
Who, ma'am?
Malik Tahera.
Yes, ma'am.
Read beta.
They came in contact with grass, trees.
We are not able to listen you, Malik Tahera.
Trees. Yes, ma'am.
Now it's okay.
Yes.
Read.
They came. They came in contact with grass, tree, vegetation, and well as wheat, barley, and barley and other grain due to climate change. By using stone, women, men, and children collect grain. Because of
Collected
the
grains.
collected grains, because of the curious, curious insects slowly agriculture start in India. Started in India. People start people start using stone to grow grain. They started they started growing grains near the bank of the rivers and
And why near the banks of rivers? I explained you previously. Remember, no? Because they required water for the growth of the plants. है ना?
yes ma'am. Ma'am 2 minutes.
Mute
Of
your mic, everyone.
near the bank of rivers constructed their house made up of mud, thatch,
Mud, mud, hat. Very good.
hay, and other materials
Minerals
in
नहीं
the
materials.
materials in the nearby area. As
ताहिरा, आपके माइक में से बहुत आवाज आ रही है बेटा.
yes, ma'am. 2 minutes. Okay, ma'am. Areas, nearby areas. As a result of it, their nomadic life came to an end and started a silted life.
You know
Silted life.
what is nomadic life? You know बेटा, nomadic life means what? The primitive means जिस तरह की लाइफ रहती है ना, उसे nomadic life कहते हैं. जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह घूमते रहते हैं ना, from one place to another place in search of food. तो उस टाइप की लाइफ को nomadic life कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं बेटा?
Nomadic life.
So primitive man stopped living in a nomadic life, and he started living a settled life. Clear till here, everyone?
Hello.
Girls, huh? What is
Any
nomadic? What is nomadic life?
ma'am, the
Nomadic life means
Very good.
ma'am people
very old time. Very old time.
Old life, primitive man's life. How they used to go from one place to another place. ऐसी life.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yes. Yes, Tahira, continue because
the first company
companion.
compa- companion or friends of his silted life was a dog. Besides, he was also familiar with sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, pig, etc. Gradual, gradual,
Gradually.
get,
Gradually.
gradually they started adj- adjusting, adjusting with them too,
Adjusting.
adjusting with them too. This is this this animal protect them for thirst. They associated with animal husbandry,
Husbandry.
husbandry also, along with familiar fami, fam, farming.
Farming.
However, farming. However, research in
Research not research. Huh?
research in being tried carried out to find out how long he had been using animal to get milk. Thank you, ma'am.
Tahira, very good, Tahira. You are reading very nicely, Tahira. But you still need to do practice. See, our textbook, social science textbook, is not very costly. It is only hardly comes in around 40 to 50 rupees. Okay, so purchase it
Okay.
and try to do reading whenever you are free. Okay, nowadays so you don't have such so many work. Do you
मैम
have?
मेरे पापा और मैं लेने गए थे लेकिन वहाँ पे अवेलेबल ही नहीं.
Where did you go? In Samir book stall, it is available. Okay.
यस मैम वहीं ले गए थे. अभी आ गए होगी.
मैम मुझे भी
हाँ.
वहाँ पे नहीं मिली.
Which stall did you go?
एसएस की बुक. मैम मुझे थोड़ी बुक्स मिल गई लेकिन एसएस और गुजराती की अभी नहीं मिली है.
Maybe they are
मैम
in a
मेरे पास
process.
है.
Maybe they are in a process. You will get in a day or two. Okay. But see that
मैम
you do practice when you bring the textbook. चाहे वो सोशल की हो, चाहे वो इंग्लिश की हो, है ना? आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी रीडिंग की सबको.
Yes.
मैम प्लीज मैम कैन आई रीड मैम.
No, Iman. I'm explaining now. Why always you are in a hurry to read only, Iman?
I like to read.
Read, Iman. You wanted to read, no, read.
Okay. Settled life, food, shelter, clothing. Early life and activity performed primitive man's life into settled life. We know that agricultural land cannot be left over because it takes some time for crops to grow. It needs water, and crops have to be harvested when grains are ready. This process is led to the beginning of settled life in India.
Very good. So early life,
In India, we
okay.
also started making earthen pots for the
Earthen
storage
pots,
of
એટલે માટીના કુંડા, okay.
earthen pots for the storage of grains. As the wandering life came to an end, there was a
Widespread.
widespread change in their food habits. Clothes and shelter, along with wheat, barley, meat. They started eating fish and fruit found near their settlement. He lived in houses made up of mud, match, and other such material. He had agriculture. He made farming implements of stone, which includes spade, chisel, and sickle. The following table shows us the places in India where grains, shelter, weapons, and remains of animals have been found.
Yes. So settled life, food, shelter, and clothing. Okay. Early life. Huh? Early life and pastoral activity transform primitive man's life into settled life. What type of life it started, beta? Primitive man's life into settled life. Okay. We know that agricultural land cannot be left out because it takes some time for the crops to grow. It needs water and crops have to be harvested when they are ready. This process led to beginning of settled life in crops in India. He also started making earthen pots for the storage of grains as the wandering life came to an end. Earthen pots એટલે કે માટીના pots, okay? You have a pot for drinking water in your house, matlu, right? Such things are known as, such pots are known as earthen pots. ओके तो अर्ली मैन ने क्या किया अदन पॉट्स बना के उसमें ग्रेन स्टोर करने चालू कर दिए गेहूं चोखा ये सब वो अर्दन पॉट्स में स्टोर करते थे क्यों क्यों
क्योंकि
बिगड़े नहीं right so that they can store also and as they have still not invented still they are not found steel copper vessels right along with wheat and barley meat they started eating fish and fruits found near their settlements. He lived in the houses made up of mud, thatch, and other such materials. He did agriculture. He made farming implements of stones, which included spade, chisel, and sickle. Okay, clear till here, everyone?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Muskan.
Yes,
Revise this
ma'am.
paragraph, social life,
Yes, ma'am.
food, and
Settled
shelter. And what did you understand from this paragraph?
means that uh, that
First read
real
and then
life.
explain. First read, Muskan, and then
Yes, ma'am.
explain.
Okay, ma'am. Settled life, food, shelter, and clothing. Early life and pastoral activity transformed primitive man's life into settled life. We know that agriculture land cannot be left out because it takes some time for crops to grow. It needs waters and crops have to be harvested when grains are ready. This process led to the beginning of settled life in India. He also started making earthen pots for the storage of grains. As the wandering life came to an end, there was a
Widespread change.
widespread change in their food habits, clothes, and shelter. Along with wheat, barley, meat, they started eating fish and fruits found near their settlements. He lived in houses made up of mud, thatch,
Yes.
and other such materials. He did agriculture. He made farming implements of stone, which included spade, chisel, and sickle. The following table shows
Yes.
us the
This point I
places.
forgot to explain that he made farming implements. Okay, such as such included like spade, chisel, sickle, etc. Today also farmers they use chisel, spade, and sickle, right? But nowadays that with the help of technology, there are so many different types of what to say this instruments which have come in the which have come in this agriculture field. Many type of instruments have come, है ना, in this agriculture field. Okay, so that the work of farmers become easy, as well as my dear students, farming is a very hard job. And in not only that beta, in India जैसे country में beta, more than 70% of people are engaged in agriculture work. What are they engaged in, beta? What are they engaged in? They are engaged in agriculture process. More than you can say, how much? More than 70 to 80% of people are engaged in agriculture process. What type of process they are engaged in, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Agriculture process. Okay, means
Okay.
some of the other way. Okay, some of the other way they do agriculture work, and पूरे इंडिया में से, okay, पूरे इंडिया में से more than 80% people are engaged in agriculture work. So you can imagine that before 12,000 years and today there is a vast difference or not?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, है कि नहीं vast difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this way the life of the early man changed, right? Clear?
Yes,
Chalo,
yes, ma'am.
chalo. Anyone any doubt till here? So how
No,
did he chalo answer my one question? Iman, you say my answer, okay, Iman? Then Multani will also answer my question, okay? Iman, say me, how did he started settling down in one place, Iman?
ma'am,
Iman,
please repeat
Iman,
the question.
sorry?
Ma'am, please repeat the question because ma'am, my brother was sitting in background. That's why I come in. That one.
How did early men started living a settled life?
She knows that the goats and that are domestic animals, so we can and they see that everything is growing. So she eats it and fish and cow. From cow she get milk and she know it that cow
give us milk and that all. And they grow weeds and live near the river and make a mud's house.
Okay. Is this enough? I wanted some other answer.
Ma'am, I know.
Say better.
By foot, with the help of foot, they go place one to another.
No, आप मेरा क्वेश्चन ही नहीं सुन रहे हो बेटा. My question is that how did early man, how did he started living a settled life? Okay, that is my question.
In changing environment,
By changing environment and understanding the importance of agriculture. है ना?
yes, ma'am.
है ना? Why? Because agriculture required what? Farming. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So anyone any doubt till here? Iman,
Ma'am, you have
Muskan?
explained very nice, so no doubt.
Yes,
Very
ma'am, you had
No
explained
doubt.
no doubts.
Very good.